Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your login problems on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's say you know your password and you know that your password is correct, and even after you entered your valid password you are unable to log into your Windows 10 operating system. I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So in many times this problem can be solved by the procedure which I'm going to show you. So assuming that you know your Windows 10 password, and I'm assuming that it's correct password. So you need to know your Windows 10 password in advance in order to solve this problem. So what you need to do is go to this option which you see on the right hand side bottom. And before clicking this power option, you need to click on the shift key. So just click on the shift key on your keyboard and then click on this power option, and then just click on the restart button. So make sure that you have pressed the shift key before clicking on the restart button. Okay, so at this time my shift key is pressed, and then I'm going to click on the restart option here. And once you do that, you will see this kind of menu. So here I'm going to choose the troubleshoot option here, and then I'm going to choose the advanced options here. Now here you will see 6 options. I want to choose this option which is called startup settings, change Windows startup behavior. So I will choose on this option, and then you will see all these options here. I will click on the restart button. So just click on restart, and at this point you will be able to see all these options available here. So enable debugging, enable reboot, enable low resolution, and you can press F1 to F9 keys to access all these options. So it doesn't matter which key you press. I generally press F5 to move forward. So I will just press F5 on my keyboard. So after pressing F5, you will be able to see this kind of login window once again. So what you are doing essentially is you are logging into your Windows operating system in the safe mode. Okay, so just give your password once again at this point. So I'm going to just give my Windows 10 password once again, and then click on the submit button. And once I do that, I will be logging into my operating system into the safe mode. Okay, so I'm logged into my Windows operating system in the safe mode. You will see just above your Windows icon safe mode written here, and this desktop will be black at this point. Okay, so once you are in the safe mode, you just need to restart your computer at this point. So at this point, if you are successfully logged into your Windows 10 operating system in the safe mode, then this procedure is going to work when you restart your Windows operating system. So I'm going to just click on Windows icon here, and then normally I will restart my computer. So power and then restart. Okay, so once you have restarted your computer after following the procedure I have shown you, you can just once again give your Windows password and then press enter, and most probably you will be logged into your computer and you will be able to log into your Windows 10 operating system. So just follow all these simple steps and most probably your login problems will be gone. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.